So hi everyone. Today we are going to solve this question that goes by the name Asuna and the Mosquitoes. So I'll read the question for you. For a birthday, each of the Asunas and friend gifted her a tower. The height of the tower from the ith admirer is equal to AI. It means the friends of Asunas gifted her a tower, and the tower they gifted has a height AI. The ith friend has gifted a tower of height AI. Now Asuna evaluates the beauty of the received gifts as max of all towers. She can perform the following operation an arbitrary number of times, possibly zero. Take such I and j, and I is not equals to j, such that ai plus aj is odd and ai is greater than 0, then decrease ai by 1 and increase aj by 1. It means you have to take those values where ai plus aj is odd and you have to decrease ai by 1 and increase the aj by 1. And if you read this line, it is easy to see the heights of the tower remain non-negative during the operations. It means you have to, let's say if you are decreasing this, you have to decrease till it gets to 0. If it gets to 0, then you cannot decrease it further. What you have to do is help Asuna find the maximum possible beauty of the gifts after any number of operations. It means you have to find the maximum possible beauty. It means the maximum value that the tower can achieve by doing the following operation arbitrary number of times. It means you can do it any number of times. So let's take an example. Let's take this example 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. So you have to choose AI and AJ in such a way that it is odd. All right. When can you get odd? You can only get AI plus AJ equals to odd if one number is even and the other number is odd. It means you can select this and this, or you can select this and this. You cannot select this one and this one, or this one or this one, because we will get even numbers. So we will select one odd number and the other number is even number. All right. Now let's take these two. All right. What will happen? 5, 4, let's say it reduces to 0, 3, 0, and 11. Now we can again choose this even number with this. What will happen? 5, 4, I'm sorry, let's make this 0 because we are choosing this number 0, 3, 0, and 15. Now we don't have any even number remaining. What we can do, or we can say we have even number remaining, this one and this one. What you can do is, you can take, you can increase this by, if you take these two, you can increase this by 2 and you can decrease this by 2. In this way, you can generate one even number. Let's say if you decrease by 2, it will become 1. And if you increase by 2, this will become 2. Now, you can add this to this number. What will happen then? 5, 0, 3. If you are adding to this will get decreased by 2, then to 0 again, and this will be 17. And this 3 will become 1. I'm sorry, this 3 will become 1. Similar, in similar way, you can add this, you can decrease this by 4, you can increase this by 4. What will happen? This will become 1, 0, 1, 4, and 17. Now you can decrease this by 4 and increase this by 4. What will happen? 1, 0, 1, 1, oh sorry, 0, and 21. So the maximum of all these numbers are What is the maximum? This is the maximum, 21. So the answer will be 21. Now, if you look at this, all the even numbers, we had this one and this one. These can be made 0. All the even numbers can be made 0. And all the odd numbers, say this, in all the odd numbers, two numbers, or you can say if there are n odd numbers, n minus 1 odd numbers will be made 1, and the one number which is remaining will be the maximum, you can say. So the answer could be like this. Let's say if total sum of all numbers, is x, and there are n odd numbers in this array, then you can say that answer is x minus n minus 1. This will be the answer. All right. Now let's look at some edge cases. If you have only even numbers, what if you have only even numbers? You cannot select any one of them. So the maximum will be max of elements of array. And if all numbers are odd number, let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, then also you cannot select any two numbers because the sum will be even. So the answer will be max of the array. All right. So let's look at the code now. We will look at the code now. So here I have taken the n as input. Here the vector a I have taken, and sum. This is total number of even numbers, odd numbers, and maximum value, and total sum. Let's see. Here I'm taking the input. I'm calculating the maximum value in the array, and also calculating the total sum of the values in the array. And here we are calculating if the number is odd, increase odd plus by 1, otherwise increase even by 1. This will count total number of odd numbers in the array and total number of even numbers in the array. Ignore this. This is a debugger. Ignore this. Now, if even number is 0, the count of even number is 0, and or the count of odd number is 0, you just have to give the maximum number in the array. Otherwise, what you have to do is, you have, let's say we are taking answer, you have to give total number, you can say the total sum minus odd minus 1. This will be answer. Thank you.